Hi there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of question from the topic of percents. Before solving this question, I'd like to talk about the importance of the playlist section that we have in our YouTube channel. I strongly suggest you to go on the playlist section and check on the topic, whichever the topic you want to just increase your math skills. Or you can just look up for the recent videos randomly. You can just pick any video and you can just pause the video. You can give it a try to solve it on your own. Afterwards, you can check for your answer. So that's been said, let's dive into this problem. In January, Emma's garden sold 50% more roses than lilies. So roses sold more. If Emma's garden sold 450 roses that month, how many lilies did they sell? So to solve this question, we will set up an equation. To set up an equation, we will use some of the variables. Number of roses sold. I like to call it the letter R for it. For the number of lilies sold, let me rewrite this. I like to call it the letter L. So roses sold more, remember. So then R will be close to L amount plus 50% more than the lilies. So 50% means 50 over 100. And if you will simplify this gives you 0.5. So 0.5 L will be equals to R. So technically R is equals to 1.5 L. So for the rest of the problem, I like to use different color of pen. So 450 roses is already given. 450 roses is equals to 1.5 L. To find the value of L, we will divide both sides by 1.5. So during the SAT, you will be allowed to use your calculator. You can use your calculator and you can just, and if you will divide 450 by 1.5, you will get 300 lilies. So the correct answer for this specific question is then the choice A will be the answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.